Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add reCAPTCHA to your WP forms or else your contact forms. If you want to learn how to create these contact inquiry forms in your contact page using WP forms, you can visit my channel BBSHARED Web Developer, and here you can see you can watch this video like how to create contact forms in WordPress using WP Forms 2026 in my YouTube channel. Okay, after creating the contact form, you need to go to your backend. And here you need to select this WP forms option. By using this WP forms, we have created the inquiry forms in our contact page, this contact page, okay, this inquiry form. So now here you need to go to this settings option, and in the settings option you have to select this captcha option, and here you need to select this option like reCAPTCHA. Okay, it is reCAPTCHA by Google. Let me scroll down. Here you can see we have to you need to select the type as reCAPTCHA version 2, and we need to enter side key and secret key. Please do open your browser and type like Google reCAPTCHA, and you need to open this reCAPTCHA website and click on this get started and get started again. You will be redirected to this page to register your website. Here you need to add your website name. Let me add my website name over here. Here you can see you should not add like HTTPS. You need to add like www.yourwebsitename, okay, .com. Okay, you need to add like www.yourwebsitename.com. And again, if I scroll down, here you need to select this option like challenge to v2, and here you need to select I am not a robot. Okay, again here you need to add your domain name. Let me add domain name here like www.mywebsitename.com. okay, and after that you need to click on the submit option. Here you need to label, means here you need to add your any name like your website name or brand name. Okay, and after selecting this you have to click on this submit option. After submitting, Google will generate this side key and secret key. You need to copy this side key and go to your website backend. You have to select this WP forms option, go to settings, okay, select this reCAPTCHA option, and here you need to enter this side key. I have added side key. Let me copy this secret key, and again you need to enter secret key over here and click on this settings option. Save the settings. Okay, after saving the settings, you need to go to this all forms option. You need to select this all forms option, and this is a contact form I have used in my contact page. Okay, this is a contact page, and after you need to click on this edit contact page, contact form, edit contact form. So here you need to go to this settings option. Here you need to select this settings option, and here you need to select this spam protection and security. Please do select this, and here you need to enable Google checkbox v2 reCAPTCHA. Please do enable this, and here so you need to enable this Google checkbox v2 reCAPTCHA and click on this save option. And now we have successfully integrated Google reCAPTCHA. Please do close this, and here let me visit this contact page. And here you can see we have successfully integrated Google reCAPTCHA in contact forms. Whenever someone visits your website, so they will enter their details, email ID, phone number, message, and in order to, before they submit, they need to verify the reCAPTCHA. Like they have to click on this I am not a robot option, and after that they have to submit the Google Forms. And that's how you can add security to your WP forms or contact forms in your contact page.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.